just got done recording part 2, but I really, really want to keep playing. This game is so amazing. So, let's continue. Last episode, we found a false Cortana. She's been helping us. She never said her name, so I'm calling her false Cortana. Alright, let's go. Music of the entire soundtrack.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, I guess her name is Weapon.
To some.
Question. I was created to lock down Cortana, but I don't know why. What did she do that was so wrong?
She was our target.
I understand that, but... is this classified? Because I don't have all the information.
Chief, this is insane. I see banists everywhere. Did you hear me? Everywhere.
What intel did Dr. Halsey give you before your mission?
Halsey only tells people what they need to know.
Fly Pelican straight into enemy territory. No one will ever notice. Great idea, big guy.
I still don't understand why you had to delete her. It feels like something's missing.
Guess what? They noticed. They all noticed. And we've got a banish structure up ahead. Armored. Very heavily armored.
It'll have to wait, I suppose.
How close can you get us?
How close? We're unarmed, and you're asking me how close?
Put us
He's
down
armed.
here.
Here? We're still doing this. Hope this works, because it's as good as it's gonna get.
It's close enough.
Go cheat.
It better be. I'm getting out of here.
Bye. See you in a bit.
We're close to the UNSC signal's origin.
Source.
over
Unclear.
here.
There's just too much chatter on all banished channels. I keep hearing the tower. It's probably the main structure we saw as we flew in.
Uh-oh.
Look down there. We're close to the fob we detected. You take out those monsters, get me to that terminal, and I'll show what I can do.
Y'all are horrible shots. Do you guys see why I like being a sniper now? 'Cause I'm fucking good at it. Oh, hi. Oh! Headshot. There you are. What? Oh. Yeah, he even called me sniper. Told you guys I was fucking amazing at this game.
short work of that, huh? Now to business. Let's lock down Fob Golf.
Alright, I need an ETA on the weapon.
37 minutes, 52 seconds, Captain Lasky.
I don't suppose you could speed that up?
I imagine that's a question for her, sir.
Well, fair enough. Is the escort fleet in position?
Aye, sir. We've got 6 Milson frigates in the advance group ready to move.
Acknowledged. Have them set course at full speed. Hopefully we won't be far behind. I don't like this waiting. We're sitting ducks out here.
Let me see. Yes, I was right. All I need to do is chat with the banished security protocol. And by chat, I mean push it out of the way because it is really not smart. And there. We now have ourselves a second fob.
Was that you?
Affirmative.
So what, you're going to just rebuild the UNSC? Piece by piece?
Basically.
That's his call. I'm just trying to be helpful. Speaking of which, each fob seems to be linked to the BattleNet. And if I do this, we can piece together what the Banished are up to. For instance, over here is some kind of Banished outpost.
Purpose?
Unclear, but it's well defended, so it's definitely worth looking into and blowing up.
Blowing
And
up.
here is what I can only describe as someone that the Banished value highly.
Noted.
His bio is interesting. If you want to see for yourself, it's waiting for you in the database. They're tracking UNSC transponders too. Caches containing valuable equipment and intel. Oh no, it looks like there are multiple UNSC squads engaged in trying to survive. They need your help, Chief.
Sounding a little like the actual Cortana weapon. I want it! Oh, hello. Oh shit. Something I would really love is an actual, like, not replica, but like an energy sword that actually lights up. I would fucking love that. I'll sit there.
Are you ready, Chief?
Yes.
What do you think?
I already told you
Yes!
that the odds aren't great.
For them.
Then let's go find out what that signal is.
Oh wait. Hey.
This is Lasky to all hands. The Infinity has been compromised. All remaining crews should immediately evacuate and make for the surface.
What?
Rendezvous coordinates
Already?
incoming.
Another breach port side. Managed to pouring in faster than we can keep up. What's the move, Spartan?
You heard the captain. We're falling back to Hangar Bay and getting off this ship.
Heading for the ring surface with the Banished all over us?
Do you think you're safer here? Pick up the wounded. The Infinity's lost. We are not.
Huh. Cool. Okay. Oh wait. I did not see this shit over here. Okay. Oh, I ran into a tree. I forgot the game still runs if I go into the map. Oh shit. Yeah.
We're coming up on that outpost we learned about at the FOB. Looks like some kind of salvage operation. What's our move?
Shut it down.
That was adorable! There's animals on here! Oh. It's over here. Aw, poor guy.
Structural weakness detected in Silo 3. Repair teams, report in.
That is loud.
We are under attack.
Can I run people over?
Fuel silos. Run them deep. One shot fall.
Excuse me? I'm a good driver, you asshole! As I flip the fucking monitors. Hang on. Oh my god! They're making a Halo series! Like a Halo TV series! I'm so excited! Oh shit, I forgot. Oh shit. Yeah. How do I get in there? Sorry, I'm seeing if I can collect anything over here.
Come out, or I'm gonna get someone.
The Banished really want to protect their fuel silos.
Clearly.
So what are you going to do about it?
Disappoint them.
Nice. You need to manually raise each silo first.
The humans dare restore our keep. Scatter.
You dead? Fuck. Shit! I need to cover, like now.
Each fuel silo should have a manual override. Scan the area.
Got it. Fuck, that was a strong ass gun. Too good. Do you see why I'm good at sniping now? Like, I'm fucking amazing when I'm like acting as a sniper. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Fuck, I need to like no! Fuck, that didn't work.
know what to do now.
Hi there! Kind of the point.
Tear the armor from your frail form.
Nah, I think I'm good. Where's the thing? There it is.
Destroy that silo, Chief.
Oh, there's one over there. Oh my god, there's a tank in there. I want it. Too good. Fuck yeah.
Oh no!
Pretty good. Where'd you go? Oh, it's right there. Totally. Oh shit. Wrong button.
Take out that silo.
Oh, I found the flashlight button. Oh, I can't go in there. Yeah, shit. Trying to figure out where that beeping's coming from, because I know that's a fucking. Oh. There's a thing over here. Yep. Knew it. This is what looking around gets you.
So, this is it. I haven't seen a friendly face for weeks, maybe months. There may be some Marines in this compound. If I can't get our people out, well, I loaded all the remaining C-12 into this Warthog. Get this message to my son, Andrew Valeros. He lives on New Carthage. Andy, I know that I told you I would come home, but I can't keep that promise. And that hurts more than you'll ever know. No matter what, know that I love you. Find my son. Tell him I died saving others. Tell him to never lose hope.
Chief. Well, more company. It looks like the Banished are tearing down and repairing vehicles here.
Not for long.
Marking the repair bays. Let's do this. Do you see that? One M808 Scorpion. In pretty good shape, too.
Give it.
Could be useful, if you like that kind of thing.
Oh, I like it.
Can't use the energy sword to use some ninja. The fuck was that? Wait, what's this? Cool. Give me this. Scorpions are so hard to control, not gonna lie. I have no use for scorpion.
They're stripping UNSC hardware to repair excavation equipment? Are the Banished digging for something?
Scorpion is so hard to control. I hate driving it, but I love the big gun.
sites that seem quite promising for excavation. We will soon be ready to dig, but we must remain vigilant. Unnatural defenses lurk beneath the surfaces of these rings. Advise your troops to salvage any human machines laid low in battle. The material will be needed for repairs in the difficult days to come. Good hunting, Brother Arak. When this is all over, I will tell you of how I survived my days on the Great Foundry.
How the fuck do I get I don't know how to get in there. How the fuck? There's another enemy somewhere? What the fuck? How do I get in? There's literally not a way for me to get in there. Oh, hello. Kid. Wait, what? I am so confused. Am I supposed to do something with the scorpion? Is that what I'm missing? I feel like it's super obvious and I'm just stupid. Again, super hard to fucking drive this thing. Oh my god, turn for God's sake. It's so, oh my god, what the fuck? Oh, I hate this thing. Do I like
Quantum Keep is officially offline. We did it, Chief.
Yay.
Well, you did it.
Your end has arrived! Put you down!
Yeah. It scared the shit out of me. Now what? Investigate the UNSC signal. Okay. That's good. Where did I leave my mongoose? There'd be another one, I guess. I saw one over here somewhere. Yep, there's one. I want to go there. What just happened? What the fuck just happened? Oh, what? Oh, what? This is shit. Where's that sniper? There you are. Okay. Give me back my fucking mongoose. I ain't going around. Fuck. Okay. Fine. I'm a good driver, I swear. Another way to get over. Oh, what did I have on here? Oh shit, I trapped my fuck. Okay. I like how this is free roam. So how you guys doing?
Akro Vagadoon is nearby, Chief. Be careful. He's got quite a rap sheet. Thousands of UNSC personnel died at his hands. Time to make it right.
Wow. Sorry, I'm just dying. He doesn't know where I'm coming from. Oh shit, sniper. Sniper dead. You're dead. You're dead. Where'd he go? Oh, there's another sniper. Fuck, I thought I could make that shot. Too good. What? They're shooting at me. I'm trying to use my radar. Oh, hi.
This is my moment! What are we gonna do?
Oh, what the fuck?
Hostile reinforcements inbound.
Fuck you. I like this sound. What the fuck just happened? Oh,
They
he went
fall,
invisible. That's
as
why.
it has always been.
That's why he went invisible. It is completely white outside right now. Like it's a whiteout.
Grenading!
Oh, what?
Look at it!
I got you. Hi. Okay. There you are. I see you. There you are. Fuck, he attached grenades here.
This bloody Triox. It spills.
Wow, this part is hard. That's what she said. Okay. Where are you? Literally, as soon as I step out, I get attacked. All at once.
This might be
This is so fucking difficult. Okay, I think I need to get him last. Oh, I got him. Hi! Oh shit, okay, I gotta focus on these guys. That was the guy who kept killing me. There you are. Hi there. Oh shit. Oh shit, he's right there. Ow! Where is he? Hi! Fuck! I can't fucking see him. Here we go. Oh.
I'm picking up reinforcements coming our way.
I am trying so hard to pass this. Fuck, that was a chance to get. I'm trying so fucking hard right now.
Target and crew eliminated. Life on this ring just got a little safer for the UNSC. Hey, did you get a look at that modified weapon the target was carrying? Pretty inventive, even for the banished. So I copied it. I've sent updated schematics back to our forward operating bases. Should give us an edge.
Did I get the dude?
I'd suggest sending a thank you card for the upgrade. But you killed the intended recipient, so we can skip that part.
Did I kill the dude? I think I killed the dude. I missed him. Okay. I don't have a fucking mongoose. Okay. Oh shoot. What's this? Sorry, I know you guys want me to do the mission again, but I wanna like do like the small stuff real quick. Fuck, the grappling hook is so useful. shoot. Oh, shit. I see something over here. Hi there. I found my gun. Did I just accidentally find something? I did accidentally find something.
We just picked up a UNSC distress signal. The signature suggests a squad of Marines.
Alive.
No response on comms, but if they are, it's a sure bet they need our help. Let's find them.
Oh. Hey, I can be a sniper too, you asshole. Aw, man! Unfair! Fine. Go down there. Ooh. Oh shit.
Enemy reinforcements.
Oh shit. Oh shit! That scared the shit out of me.
All hostiles eliminated. Glad we made it in time.
Cool. Oh, I didn't want to do that! Oh, hey, I just saved a bunch of people.
Copy that.
Follow me, don't follow me. I'm heading into more danger. Ah. Oh shit, that looked like a challenge.
Awaiting orders, Chief.
Awaiting orders, chief. They're like... I need like a fucking... It's like a... Fuck, is there no like...
My way around one of these.
Damn it. I don't want to give up my sniper rifle. Oh shit. I have to be so careful with crossing that. Okay, let's see. What's over there?
Advancing.
Chief?
Oh, I gotta climb. I love how this is free roam. Fuck. be so careful. I'm an idiot.
Need backup?
Need backup?
Now the chief's here, I think we're gonna make it. I think we have a shot.
Let's get closer.
Aw.
Hell yes! Something wrong, Chief?
I'll just... Here.
How the fuck do I get over there? Guess I gotta climb. Do I seriously gotta climb all that fucking way? Okay. We? Whoa, look at this. That's fucking awesome. Look at all this shit. You can see everything. Okay, I do have to climb all the way up to the top. Okay. Oh, right there. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this episode here because this episode was mainly just doing like the small mission stuff. Cause I don't know if it's just me or not, but I like to do all the small stuff first before I continue on with the main story. But I will see you guys in the next episode.